Today's video is all about sperm thickness. If you want to make your sperm thick, make sure that you stick to this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know what you will do to make it thick. But before I proceed, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for being part of this channel, and thank you for supporting this channel. As you do, God will always support you in everything you are doing. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men, natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So how are you going to achieve these targets? How are you going to make it strong? All you have to do is to always take fruit salad. This fruit salad works perfect. I am very sure of this. This fruit salad, once you take it at least 3 times every week, watch your semen and watch the thickness. It works, and it works perfectly. If you want to make it thick, you want to make it strong, maybe you have a watery sperm and you want to make it strong, adopt the habit of taking fruit salad consistently. Watch the health of your semen and watch how thick it is going to be. Try it. Come and give me testimony. Try it. Make sure that you come back and comment on this video. Take it like 2 to 3 times every week for complete 1 month. But within 3 times of proper intake of fruit salad, you must get results. I am very sure of this. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. If you have questions and comments, please drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of this channel. Subscribe once again. Share this video to your friends and families to know how to achieve their healthy semen. See you in my next video. Bye.